Hello and welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage we're going to take a look at this Tesla Model S from Matchbox. This is number 24 of 125 and this is a 2015 casting. The Tesla Model S is a four-door sedan and it is electric powered. It's a very expensive car, for me anyway. It's about $100,000 where I live, and it is quick, a very fast car, especially since you can actually fit 7 people in it, so that's pretty good. So Teslas are really cool, and this is a really cool car, so I think we're going to take a look at it. Right off the bat, we can see it's got some really huge wheels, some good detail on the back. Matchbox is always good for their detail. And then if we look at the front, you know, the grille, the emblem, and all that. And we'll take a closer look at it. So let's open it up. So here we have our Tesla Model S out of its packaging. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. As you can see, the color of it almost looks black, but it's actually a deep metallic blue. And if we flip it up, we can kind of see the metallic on the hood here. So it looks really cool. And it's also really cool because we can see the best feature of this car, which is the panoramic glass roof, which goes from the front of the car to the back. Now this is a toy, so it's plastic, but the real car would have glass. And then we can see the really large wheels. Teslas have very nice large wheels in real life because they've got huge brakes and they look really good. Now if we look at the back of the car, we can see some great detail on the tail lights. Even the trunk emblem is there. And you can flip it around this way. You can see the other side. Again, it's pretty much the same. It's a pretty true to life model. I really like this one. And then on the front, we can see the Tesla logo and grille, and even some little fog lights under there. So a lot of really nice detail. So we're going to take a look at a photo gallery and see what this thing looks like a little bit more close up. If you like this video, leave us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you on the next video.